In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the download icon in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If your Edge toolbar feels cluttered or you simply want a cleaner browsing experience, this quick adjustment can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three dot menu. This opens the main Edge settings and options menu. From there, click settings. This takes you into the full settings page where you can customize the browser exactly the way you want it. On the left-hand side, click appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including toolbars, themes, and layout options. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find toolbar. Click on Toolbar to open the Toolbar customization options. Inside this section, you'll see different switches for buttons and icons that can appear in the browser interface. Look for the Downloads option and simply toggle it off. As soon as you turn it off, the download icon should disappear from the Edge toolbar. That's it. No extra steps, no complicated menus, and no need to reinstall anything. If you ever want the icon back later, just return to the same toolbar settings and turn downloads back on again. So to recap, go to Settings, click Appearance, click Toolbar, and toggle off Downloads. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make your browser look much cleaner and less distracting. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.